received His Royal Majesty in Accra to the police headquarters. When he was about to come, people were wondering whether it is true that Otumfuo is coming. And the many doubting Thomases that we invited them to come and sit down before Otumfuo, they couldn't make it. By the time they got to know at the airport that Otumfuo was on the way coming, they rushed and we stopped them. They could not even see Otumfuo. Otumfuo's visit to the National Police Headquarters, unprecedented. To reciprocate what Otumfuo had done to us, we decided to come in a very small manner. At least to come and do a token, something to show our love to this beloved father of motherland. We have these ladies called the Royal Ladies. We named them after Otumfuo. And so for that matter, they have come here to come and grace the occasion and to make the first parade of its kind in the Marshal Palace, and also attended by many of our POMA members here this afternoon. I wish to announce to Otumfuo that these ladies have been working very hard. They have distinguished themselves. They are only available to do anything possible to make Ghana proud. And for they being the first of its kind to honor Otumfuo at the National Police Headquarters, and also be the first of its kind to visit the Marshal Palace, the police administration decided to promote them to the next rank. So, also for your ladies have been promoted to the next rank. So we thank you for Mother Ghana. We thank you for maintaining good security for this country. We thank you for the advice you have always been giving us. And we pray to God that God should continue to protect you, the King Solomon of this country, so that we will continue to come and tap wisdom from you. It is not the Ghana Police Service alone, but the whole nation is proud of you. And that is why, when we're coming, all your royal ladies, they all said they are coming. And we have to manage to bring all of them here to come and see the mighty king of our country. So Otumfuo, we thank you so much for receiving us. And then at this juncture, we want to say that this is the first Akwasidea in the year. And then we have come here with your riders to take part in this first Akwasidea. And we know that God will continue to strengthen and bless you and lead you throughout the end of the year for more Akwasidea to come. This is not the last we'll be here. We'll come any such like Akwasidea that is ahead of us. We are proud of it. Thank you.
Sadena Chato on the president, a buyer named Otumfuo Ebedi. And my buyer, Besino Otumfuo Samusha, Besina Futu in the Chitai, said, Wayamaya 2025, no, Onyamaya 2026. And Paso Otumfuo, I am an Abu Solo. If we say, a year, Busumi came January, Nema Baby Akosono, I'm a dream and I'm and Kayin to me into and among. Yedikaye acquire homesome. I'm saying free as a car a day call a hundred roundabout. Quite dualizing on a enemy. Said they be a one traffic or honor, it's me a drama. If we are hundred so they call a year Santasi roundabout. I was with Jack and Waya Maya. The proof by Benaya Davis said there was a 2 for 1 another year tomorrow or Santasi roundabout near people be a more. Otumfuo de na no tu mu bi no o matimi aboa afiri ho Otumfuo na so ama yesika ye de asiesie ba bia ono a Otumfuo de ma ye na ye de adwumayefo no ekoho e bi Otumfuo kwa na betima yewe nti ene oma e ba ya na me se na president na no ni adawase contractor for so ku kwa so a wo ewo ha omo ye e adwuma e free eye be kwai run about the course and tasks so Nakupo charge the contractor by a president Amanisika or how or ye juma. Otumfuo na nanom so e wo ye mankran so e de ba basic group e de abai bo kwa so kwan na ye basa em say afi 2025 ye Akwasidea twem no em say Otumfuo ka ho say my president so ama contractor ono ane na attach na wo kwan so a wo ye so adwuma ye afi agogo e de ko ma me problem no eboa Otumfuo na no mewo Asante Achim ene na no mewo Eastern region no ene so eye contractor baso e dey so about for 124 kilometers ene so Otumfuo adawe ma ye eho adwuma Otumfuo na no mewo eye free suta seche suta ede ko seche kwa mai ene so ye kwa ye Otumfuo akoko so pa eye January ya so eye contractor to so a oye eho adwuma Otumfuo chairman ye twato a ebegina mu na ye besem no madwuma do Otumfuo ase amaye say 2026 no president emna matofo so kai budget we ye say yempe ba bia ye de be national theatre to so yelu e wa Asante Mantema eni masase so nsem wo Asante Mantema de ye de Otumfuo dia ampa ye de betu na nim besere ne say o ma ye ba bia ye betimi ye di say adwuma na Akufo charge Otumfuo eti Yusufri aboya ma asase yantamu a yede ebedi eye sa adwuma ye national theatre adwuma ana o yi say akwaya obo ayanka ho asem so Otumfuo president Simensro na me vantu anim say na me yadoma bosumi a yewura mu ono abeba ha ne bi o ha obi ha ne nia ba be di akire ititru ne so am interchange oso ba so ono aba no bi hu say the adwuma ne tie ne kwa so bobo ebi o mo ya big push project bi so ya bebo na take Kumasi traffic no so enti wo ya outer Kumasi ring road the best at free edra ejo so etia e dia kone na mu akofa dwabe na fida se kwa bre ya kopie mu ofenso ba ko so be free ofenso kwa kopie mu asigama na ba ko fa makopie ma kan so saa dia ko eye tuma kwa ma na de na mu abesi be kwai na asa free be kwai saa fo mu ba besi ejo so sɛdeɛ bɛyɛ awo a wɔmmɛyɛ bibia wɔ Kumasi traka kɛseɛ a ɛfiri nkran bɛsi akɔ north ɛne mali deɛ keka ho no ɔmo mɛfa Kumasi mfa traffic no ebi mɛka ho ɛnyame yɛ adom a bosom yɛ yɛwura mi presidency minister ma nso ɔyɛ deɛ adwuma kɛseɛ a ɔno ababa na ɔde nneɛma bɛbi akyerɛ bɛhwɛ sɛ bibia bɛtumi atotɔ na akɔ so nti Otumfuo yɛ baa na ɛyɛ afo 2026 emu nkɔmmɔ kakra no yɛba nso na nanom a ebi akyire baayɛ wow mayor this year we be Zuba Richard Ofori Adjuma we can hold in a wow cover this year honorable Betty Idris our council of state member also can hold in a and this year chairman Yaobimbe also a member of the council of state we can hold in a wow Linda or a member of the National Peace Council our year Antibeti Libya also can hold in a the chief director of Free Treasury so out the Mamma on the Daniel Junior Houses or can hold in a buy. Over from MC Honorable Anwar Sadat also can hold the buy. Asukwa MP, Honorable Amo Kamel also can hold the buy. Asukwa MC, sorry. Honorable Ogada, the Commander Ogada, GOC, Brigadier General, in charge of the Central Command. Honorable Frank Amankwa, Immigrations Commander, Asante Radio Musumi Chief Peter Tete, also Chief Officer, Commander for Fire. Womindo, Commander for 4BN. I said before, Commander, on the head, Signal Bureau, so at the MIA. One day I'm entire immunity, Otumfuo, one of them to media, but you are sentimental, MIA. Police Officer, Chief of Higher Crime, Officer, so at the MIA was sentimental. Wow, KMA, Coordinating Director, and also Eka Hubin nearby. Professor Brina, wow, this year, and Otumfuo Foundation, so I'm a coordinating doctor, and I'm a Sasuna Obey Professor, and they run a year council chair for a year Commercial Technical Institute, also can be and a buy. Otumfuo also the neighbor crowd, and also in the chair, wow, questions here, some father brass and Timothy Waba. Otumfuo by now, none more. You can't go more ever. I never know about to say anything. Otumfuo chame you cry, Otumfuo, you cry sharp, and some box bako, whiskey, adaka bako, brandy, adaka bako, champagne, adaka bako, wine, adaka bako, Otumfuo go more dear, a chame go more dear, catch a four go more dear, you can't go more dear, Otumfuo go more dear. I don't. For Abuamwadi, a challenge Tahra, Abuamwadi, security for Abuamwadi, photographers, Abuamwadi, videographers, Abuamwadi, Aduma for Abuamwadi, Otumfuo Cardon for Abuamwadi, Otumfuo Pinti Abuamwadi, Otumfuo TF for Abuamwadi, Otumfuo for Donfo, Abuamwadi, and Odampa, Otia, Otumfuo Chame by Anan and Anna, the chain.